Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're stepping a bit outside the usual skincare and makeup routine to look at a product that's all about hardworking hands. Georgia Pacific's Industrial Grit Hand Cleaner Refill. This is a lemon-scented, fast-acting hand cleaner designed specifically for tackling medium to heavy-duty soils like grease, diesel, brake fluid, cement, and all that tough grime you find in industrial or workshop settings. It comes in a large 3,000 milliliter refill size and fits into specific GP Pro dispensers, either automated or manual. Now, before you ask, yes, this is more of a niche product, definitely geared toward professionals or anyone who regularly deals with stubborn industrial messes. It's not your typical beauty hand cleanser, but since hands are essential in every beauty routine, keeping them clean and healthy is a must. Plus, it's dermatologist tested, which means it's been evaluated for gentleness despite its heavy-duty cleaning power. Let's dive into how it actually performs. Using this cleaner was pretty straightforward. The large 3-liter refill cartridges make it convenient for high-traffic areas. Think workshops or garages, reducing the hassle of frequent refills. The scrubbers embedded in the formula provide an effective physical exfoliation that really helps break down and remove thick grime without the need for harsh chemicals. The lemon scent adds a refreshing, clean finish without being overpowering, which is a nice touch considering the kinds of odors it needs to battle. In terms of texture, it's gritty but not abrasive, balancing enough to get the job done without damaging skin. I found that it rinses off cleanly and leaves hands feeling refreshed rather than dry or stripped, which is impressive given its intended industrial use. However, if you have very sensitive or dry skin, I'd still recommend following up with a good hand moisturizer after use, because the scrubbers, while gentle for most, can still be a bit much if you're prone to dryness. The cartridge system is definitely a win for hygiene and ease of use. Closed cartridges mean less chance for contamination compared to open jars or tubs, and the compatibility with automated touchless dispensers adds a sanitary boost, especially important in shared or professional environments. So what about the downsides? The main thing is that it's quite specialized. For everyday use, this would be overkill and not the most cost-effective option. Also, because it only fits specific GP Pro dispensers, if you don't have one already, you'd need to invest in the dispenser system first, which could add to the upfront cost. Speaking of cost, the price per refill seems reasonable for industrial standards, especially considering the large volume and the efficiency it offers. If you need a heavy-duty hand cleaner for a workshop or industrial setting, this is a solid choice. But if you're just after a hand cleaner for light grime or daily use, there are simpler, less expensive alternatives on the market that might better suit your needs. Compared to other industrial hand cleaners I've tested, this one stands out for its skin-friendly formulation and the hygienic cartridge design. Some competitors can be harsher or come in less user-friendly packaging, so Georgia Pacific's attention to those details really adds value here. The build quality of the refill cartridges feels sturdy and well-made, which is important for the kind of environments they're meant for. I haven't tested the long-term durability of the dispenser system itself, but based on the cartridges, they look like they'll hold up well under frequent use. I haven't had any direct experience with GP Pro's customer service, but the brand generally has a solid reputation in the commercial product space, so I'd expect responsive support if needed. If you're interested in alternatives, brands like Gojo or Permatex offer similar heavy-duty hand cleaners, sometimes at a slightly lower price point. However, the unique lemon scent and the hygienic cartridge system make Georgia Pacific's offerings stand out, especially if dispenser hygiene is a priority. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers and hardworking hands alike can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum up, the Georgia Pacific Industrial Grit Hand Cleaner Refill is a well-formulated, effective, and skin-friendly option for anyone dealing with tough industrial grime. It's best suited for professional or workshop environments where frequent, heavy-duty hand cleaning is needed. For everyday light use, you might want to consider something gentler and more budget-friendly. But if you're in the market for a reliable, hygienic, and pleasantly scented industrial hand cleaner, this is definitely worth a look. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic today. You'll find a link to purchase this product in the description box below. If you've tried it yourself, drop a comment and share your experience. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.